Are we going?
Yeah.
RC boy. Just got the steezy new whip. You know, eating this Crave. Got this Federal parent frame, 27.5, trans brown. Animal Barrett forks. Odyssey headset. Gotta have a bunch of foo stickers on your fork. It's just foo stickers, just trust me. Gotta have this fucking young
sushi man.
Yeah, young sushi. Young Merit inaugural front load stem. Young Brad Sims 1-up bars. Fuck with me. Gotta have the fucking Chuck grips, cause you know. And then obviously it comes with the insert bar ends. You should already know that. And then we have Primo N4FL up in the front. We have I think they're USA brand spokes. And then Sun Big Baller, because they're the realest. With a Alex Donachie tire in the front. Got a Colt butter pegs, 4 of them, 4-inch. Because you know they didn't have 4, actually it's 4.2 inch, because they didn't have 4.5 when I got these. Some young profile cranks. Colt OS sprocket. You know, this chain, it's half Colt, half Odyssey Bluebird, but it keeps it real. Gotta get the Merit pedals. Got a BSD bottom bracket. Merit post. Got the Steezy Merit black leather. Oh! I'm done. Sunday current. Laced up to with a big baller in the back. I think there's just a Peem spokes with a Federal free coaster. V3, of course. Gotta have the guard. I think that's it.
Back tire.
Sunday current. I already said
Oh
that.
yeah, you said that. How's that Crave?
Fucking great.
It's my bike check. It's fucking fly. I have a S&M BTM. It wasn't trans gold, but it's fucking shitty black now. Cause I painted it with Walmart paint. It's a 20.5 top tube. I have the Colt Leader V2 bars with an animal sticker. Cause fuck it. I have the I almost said demolition. Fly bikes, Devin Smiley grips with broken bar ends. Oh, my back slipped off. The Demolition Monarch stem, Primo headset, stolen Rebellion front wheel, because my other wheel blew up, so I'm just riding that. That's a B. Colt D-Hart fucking tires, Primo binary V2 plastic pegs. Back here, the Demolition Fat D seat, or D Fat, whatever. Poverty seat post. It's on this side though, so you can't see it. My fork. I said my fork, didn't I? Fuck it. Fucking Fiend Invest fork. What am I doing? Completely out my ass. How we roll. Cranks, Demolition. Cranks. What are they called? The Revolts. Odyssey JCPC pedals with pins on one side. Because who needs pin on both? Squirrel sprocket. Shout out Campbell. Demolition bottom bracket. Shout out Demolition. Fuck. Another D-Heart, same pegs, and then Primo Free Mix laced to Odyssey Hazard Light. What else am I forgetting? My chain is some Odyssey chain, I think. And this was my shitty bike check. I can't even remember my fucking parts. Can't forget the Lightning Bug 1.0 though. You know, it's lit. That's my bike check. It's lit.